What's up, guys? It's time for the final LEGO City update of 2022. Let's go ahead and jump in because we have a lot to cover. All right, guys, as mentioned, we have a lot to cover today. So I hope you enjoyed seeing the progress we've made over the year. And now let's talk about the most recent changes. Starting at the north end, which ironically is based on South Beach, even though it's north in our city, you may have noticed some changes to the beach area and our new marina. This new marina will sit in front of the hotel lineup, and we'll be adding additional boats and yachts in the future. You can probably tell that it's unfinished, and that's because we're waiting on delivery of more parts from Bricklink. But you should get a good sense of the direction we're going with what's here now. We even added a working elevator to connect the dock area to the main street level above, and we'll also likely add stairs to each side of the elevator bank. Now, moving along the beach, you'll see we finished the new beach area with a dedicated staircase and beach shower, as well as the finished rock jetty and a guy fishing. We used the little fish tiles from the LEGO Spring Lantern Festival to add some nice fish in the water below. And as you can see, the beach turned out great. We also formed the largest waves in the city at this end, with surfers catching a ride. This is actually based a lot on California's beaches, where large waves are formed by rock jetties. Here is where you'll also find one of our largest changes from the city update video we previously posted. In the last video, you saw a road in this area where we had planned shops and small buildings. But in the end, we didn't like how it stuck out from the city, and we felt it really should just be a continuation of the beach. So we did just that, and we even added a beach hotel. We really love how the beach hotel turned out. We used a modern luxury design with a cantilevered layout that allows for an infinity edge pool below and a lounge chair area. We'll likely change the colors of the chairs in the future, and we also want to add a restaurant or some seating on the side, kind of in the middle. But we chose to connect the hotel to the existing boat rental area and make it all kind of work together to create a nice little beach resort. It even connects to the raised road in the back. With this new design, we love how a massive beach and ocean area has come together, which is really stunning in person. The camera really does not do it justice. It's an expensive technique, so we really don't recommend it for everybody. We also recently added a shark attack scene in the middle of the beach with rescue crews and emergency vehicles stationed to assist. We also incorporated the lifeguard, as well as ambulances and other emergency vehicles. We did a full overview video on our custom fire trucks, which can be found on our channel. This year was also really exciting because it brought us our new airport, which was essentially a larger version of the airport we already had. In the previous city at our old place, we could only fit one gate, but our new place allows for a much larger airport area, which we absolutely love. We've done a bunch of videos on the airport, but it's one of our favorite builds that we've ever done. If you don't already know, it's completely modular, and we offer instructions on our website. It looks so realistic in person, and we can't wait to add additional features in the future, like a control tower, a fire station, more vehicles, and new plane designs. More on that next year. Hint, hint. Elsewhere in the city, we've been working on finishing the roads and updating the traffic signals. As you saw earlier this year, we added a train to our city, which was a ton of work as we had to essentially rebuild all of the main roads. It really took forever, but we do love all the new energy that it brings to the city, especially with the added cable stay bridge, railroad crossing signals, and paved train curves that really bring the whole thing together. Ironically, we actually don't have the train running for this video because we started making some adjustments to the back area. Next year, we also plan to finish the bridges in the back and finally connect the whole train loop, which has been a huge and daunting task. We have a huge vacant area in the south of the city, which is probably going to be our next big project, and the train will run through this area as well, which is why everything's not connected right now. We don't want to spoil what we have planned down here, but we hope to get it started early next year once we can afford more bricks. It is absolutely mind-boggling how expensive Lego has gotten with inflation. It's to the point where it is very overpriced in our opinion. We're probably going to do a video about this in the future, but we've been slowing down on ordering due to cost hikes. The best way to support the channel and help the city grow faster is to buy some of our instructions where 100% of the sales go back to the channel and to growing the city. We want to sincerely thank all of our customers from this year and years prior who have helped support our progress and help the channel grow. Thank you so much. With all that said, once we have enough to order the required parts, you should start to see this area of the city get developed with new roads and an extension of the layout. This new layout also means that we have other voids for future skyscrapers, which we're really excited about. We have 2 new ones designed and planned for the city. We just need to order bricks and add them. We're very excited to reveal those designs, and they will continue adding to our skyline and make the city even more dense. The last area of the city that's in the works is the new hill area, which will cover the train tunnel. This will hopefully make progress soon. We've been stockpiling green bricks for the build. The goal will be for the train to kind of go through the tunnel, and we may build on top of the hill or may just keep it natural looking. Not sure yet. 2022 was also a big year for parts storage, and since the last video we added this bulk section, as well as added more to our part wall. If you want to see how we sort, Miss AFL TV just did a video recently showing you our tips and tricks and best practices for sorting Lego. We also did a video a few months ago covering the part wall in detail. Both videos can be found on our channel. Well guys, it's been an amazing year with a lot of change and progress for the city. We didn't expect to move to a larger place at the start of the year, but it's been a great change and it has a lot of potential for the future. We encourage you to subscribe and follow along if you don't already do so. And we also wanted to thank you for all your support. You guys are truly the best. We can't wait to share with you what we have planned for next year, and we wish you and your families a healthy and happy end of the year, and we hope you find some time to build during the holidays. Take care and see you next year.